So today we have more unboxings of Neewer. Neewer. Why do I like Neewer? They are new and they're also very affordable. What's up everyone? Welcome back to TeamKLoWhat. And today we have yet another unboxing video, and we have a lot of goodies to show you today.
That's
Especially for those of you who are looking to start a new vlog or something like that. Today we're going to be taking a look at, not reviewing, an unboxing of the Neewer microphone, along with some Neewer stands and also Neewer cables for the microphone. So let's unbox all of this goodness right now. Before we get to unbox, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for all the videos that we put out. And remember, when you subscribe to TeamKLoWhat channel, a shark in the water finds its baby. Baby shark. Oh, I didn't get it, baby shark. Oh, I like that. I didn't get that one. All right, so let's get to unboxing. You know what? I'm feeling this one. I feel good about this one.
All right, let's get that one first.
All right, so because it comes with a case. Neewer is huge on cases. They spend a lot of money on case. I hope that they spend the money on bringing quality product,
not quality cases.
Packages and casing.
Yeah.
Look at this. This is awesome. It's a beautiful, beautiful case.
Yep.
For
women to put their makeup.
Yeah, but it's not makeup. Yeah.
All right, so let's take a look at this box and see what we have here. Okay, first off, we have some customer service pamphlets, and then we have some, I guess, manuals, how to use it, how to use these.
Well, this actually comes with a little bit about the frequency information, but as you can see, the model is the NW410. So it's two microphones in here, not just one.
So, okay, we got two microphones in here, and so here you have different settings where you can actually change the head of the microphone if you want different sounds, if you want the sound to be a little deeper. And we're gonna try that out in videos later on. We'll show you what they look like. So basically, you would just take this little guy off, and then you can replace it with these other additional microphone tips.
So the tips are really for one of them is very specific, so it will capture only the person when they're in front of the microphone. The other head is actually to capture what's happening around you. So some of these microphones are pretty expensive, but Neewer had a great deal for this, and we'll talk to you about that in a few minutes.
It also comes with a little cover so that you can eliminate those extra noises or sounds that you have. And finally, here in the case, we have the microphone holder.
All right, so there's the Neewer microphone. So we got two because there's two of us.
I think it's nice. I'm excited. You know, this microphone, they seem to be pretty sturdy, pretty heavy.
Sturdy, yeah.
You know, they have nice weight to them, so they look like the quality build is pretty nice. There's gonna be a time to test their actual sound quality.
Yeah. We'll let you know how it works because we have a lot of projects coming up, so you'll be able to hear the sound.
Speaking of money,
so this kit was only $100. If you go to the Neewer website, they do offer coupons. This one came with an extra 15 to 20% off, so it was really like 85 bucks for the microphone.
including taxes.
No, the tax plus taxes and shipping. Shipping was free.
Shipping was free.
Shipping was free.
All right, so let's do the unpacking number 2.
Number 2. You get one, I get one.
I love unpacking stuff.
Yeah, me too. So that one is for you. This one is for me. So this is the Neewer microphone stands. So we wanted to get stands for this because you know, we were getting those microphones. We didn't know how we were going to be using them, basically. So whether we're going to place them on the table or whether we're going to try and get something a little bit overhead. Come with this.
They actually came with their own microphone head, huh?
Yeah.
It's just this guy gotta be tidy up. And there you have it. And now
you can raise this here. Yeah, so you can raise up the microphone.
So you can have two different heights, for taller and for smaller if you have guests.
Also, I like this that you can actually either raise it up or bring it down. So if you wanted to have the mic away from your face and do that, so you want to try and plug that there. And I'll try and plug this here. See if
so we have a little conundrum.
It doesn't fit there. Interesting.
So if you have traditional mics, this would be for more of your traditional mics. Can you use these?
I don't know. I think we can probably use these here, but we will have to take this out.
No, you don't have to. Just take this. So because our microphones came with their own mic heads,
but this is not gonna fit there.
And we don't know why, mama.
So Neewer, this is interesting, right? So you said that these were generic and that these work on different microphones, but these don't stand with this, so it's kind of weird.
So now you have to figure out, you gotta buy special equipment in order to have your microphones fit this stand, because this microphone is only going to be held by this smaller holder, but it doesn't fit on the stand.
Yeah, that's right.
So this is a stand that came with the Neewer microphone holder, and we noticed that the ones that came with the microphone were a little wider and could not fit here. And we had a little conundrum. We couldn't figure out, you know, how we can get this guy plugged in, and we were gonna go to the store, buy additional equipment. The idea that Neewer came up with was really interesting. This, if you turn it around, you can take a look at this guy in the bottom. You can actually unscrew this. Once this comes off, right, then you take it and you take your larger device. See, this is the one that was below, and you screw it onto this guy. And then finally, all you have to do is place it in the mic stand that you need, and voila, you have your mic holder. Here is the microphone, and you are done. All right, we'll put that to the side anyway, and we'll do a final unboxing. What do we have here, Alex?
Well, that is the cables for the microphone.
Let's see.
So
this kit
comes with a few of these. So we got, I think, 6 cables. 6. You got the color I want.
Which color you want?
Which one do you think I want?
I don't know. Red?
So this one right here is the head that goes onto this one. There you go. And then this is going to go onto another product that this actually feeds power to this. So this is a phantom power. It needs power. This is not a microphone that you can plug it onto a computer and it's self-powered. So it does need a power outlet to transfer power to the microphone.
All right, guys, so if you're in the market for some cables, mics, and stands, check out the Neewer line of products. This is not a sponsored video by any means.
Not at all.
But we like their product. We think that they are a good, fairly priced equipment, and we're gonna test them out. Subscribe. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to the channel.
Also, hit the notification bell button so you don't miss any of these videos.
See you on the next one.
TeamKLoWhat.